you one more time. Now, go and get the stick. Go on. I'll get it then. Look, Bruno, the stick. Right. No, go and get it. Bruno, what's the matter? There's nothing I can do.
The sun is shining.
Oh, you stupid Quentin, what are you doing sitting on the jogging path?
You should have watched where you were going.
Anyway, who's this you got with you?
That's my dog, Bruno. He doesn't seem to be doing anything, though.
Maybe it just needs a little kick.
I won't let you kick my dog. This is crazy. This is inhumane.
Oh well, who gives the toss?
That's it. I'm calling security. It is illegal for anyone to kick someone's dog without parental consent.
No, please, I'm really sorry. Can you forgive me?
No, I'm sorry I can't. What's done is done. Oh my God, Bruno, what have you done? This poor child. Bruno, please don't do this. Bruno, what are you doing? Bruno, stop! Bruno, what are you doing? Bruno! Oh my God! Let's go shop at Debenham. Oh my God! Bruno! Bruno! Bruno, please! Stop this! Come home with me! Please, Bruno, all I want for you is to come home, so you can be my dog again.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Give him two lips like roses and clover. Then tell him that his lonesome nights are